Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm Youth Homelessness Coordinator for Newport Youth Service. Part of my job role is to support young people in the local community not to become homeless. One of the groups of young people that we work with is young people that are asylum seekers and refugees. They're unaccompanied, which means they haven't got any guardianship or family with them. So when they meet us, obviously they're very nervous about working with us as professionals. They come from many different countries, often fleeing from war, and we can't even imagine what they've been through. They find it very difficult to inform us of the experiences they have gone through because it's been very traumatic for them. They are one of the most kind, thoughtful, caring group that we've worked with. They are always looking out for each other and people within their communities, always putting other people before themselves, even though what they've been through is unimaginable. They absolutely adore football, they love outdoor activities, and we're currently supporting them to achieve their Bronze Duke of Edinburgh Award. It's amazing to see the smiles on their faces and having fun after everything they have been through. They volunteer in their communities, they attend college, which they are absolutely dedicated to, as well as working part-time jobs. We really need foster carers to come forward to offer safe and secure homes to these amazing young people to avoid them from becoming homeless. If you've got room in your home and you want to make a real difference, contact Foster Wales today.